In this video screencast, I'm just going to walk you through the navigation for our class this summer. As you can see, I have turned on the student view, so hopefully this is what you will see when you log into the course. The home page is right here, and it has a lot of different information contained within it and linked from it. So if you want to check announcements, click on this one here. Please do keep tabs, I should say, on the announcements. I like to use that function of the class quite frequently to provide general feedback on assignments. Just kind of talk about how things are going and how things went and what ideas we might need to focus on or which kinds of concepts we may have missed. Please look over the contact information and intro. You can scroll through all of my personal intro information if you want to, but below that, there's some information about the expectations of turnaround time, late policy, and all of those kinds of things. So please do check that out. This image here, I won't click on it now, but when you click on it, it will take you to the current module that we're working on. So right now it goes to Module 1. You would have clicked there or gone to the modules button on the side to get to this video in the first place. I'm going to do my best to update this so that when you click on it, it will take us to the current module that we're working on. The only catch is that there's no way to make that automatically update. I have to do it manually, and sometimes I forget a little bit. So it might be a little behind, but I'll do my best to keep that up to date. Scrolling down, I have a embedded Twitter feed here. This is just so that you can kind of keep tabs on what people are posting to Twitter when you come into the course. When you make your posts to Twitter, though, I do recommend going to twitter.com or using something like tweetdeck.com, or you could use your Twitter app on your mobile device as well. But the point is, trying to post to Twitter using these little widgets doesn't work very well. So that, again, is just there so you can check and see what people are posting and then go to Twitter if you want to respond. Here's my contact information at a glance. You can use that link below right here to get to virtual office hours. I'll hold those every Monday, but also I'm pretty good at getting back to emails and responding to texts and tweets and so on. So also, this email address forwards to my CNM email address, so you'll probably get responses from me from the CNM address, but either way, I will get what you are sending to me. All right. So, as I mentioned, the easiest way to get started is to click on the image. Here we are in Module 1. Each module is just one page, so everything's right here in the same page. It doesn't go from page to page to page. As you scroll down, you will find the objectives, the introduction, so kind of usually it'll be what topics we're covering. For this one, it explains the general outline of the class. As you scroll down, you'll find the activities that you need to do. So you can click on Start Here. You can access the discussion board and etiquette guidelines. Here are the guidelines for Twitter registration, the reading tweets assignment. There's a video tutorial about how to get started with Twitter right there if you need it. And then you can keep going on down. This will take you to the discussion board for your personal intro to the class. And then this is where you will do your first reading assignment. This one's relatively short, and you will post tweets about that. Optional for the first module is to watch this short video on the Mexican Revolution. And then each module will have a self-assessment and looking ahead. So it just kind of reminds you should have done this, this, and this before you're done with this module. And it tells you what we'll be doing in the next module. I'm going to click to the next one just because Module 1's a little bit unique because it's the intro to the course. Module 2 looks more like what we'll have for the rest of the course. So as I mentioned, here's the intro and objectives. We're covering the Porfiriato in Module 2. Then as you scroll down, you'll see the readings that need to be completed. Any that are optional are listed there below. And then you'll have some videos here. And please read the highlighted text there. The videos are not required, but they are supplemental. Some of us need the video, the audio-visual kind of information to help us better contextualize and understand the readings. So that's what they're there for. Then you scroll down. This one tells you to do your reading tweets assignment. This one takes you to the discussion board to complete that. And then there's the self-assessment and looking ahead. So again, everything is structured in that way. If you just use the home page and the navigation buttons down here, you should be able to cover everything that you need to be completing and make sure to keep a handle on all the assignments. If you go away from the modules and you want to get to a specific document relative to the syllabus or the class or all the assignments, those are located right here. And of course, below here is the general course calendar summary. If you want to go straight to the discussion board or straight to an assignment, that's why I left these buttons here. And then to check your grades and communicate with others. I've not used this chat before, but I have turned it on. So if you would like to chat anytime I'm on, I would be happy to chat with you. So that's just another communication option that we have. So hopefully this video has been a little bit helpful for explaining the general navigation of the class. If you have any questions, please do ask, and I'll be happy to help out. Also, if you have questions about the actual content and the structure of the assignments, please let me know about that as well.